Good morning, or actually afternoon, wherever you are. Eighth graders, this is Ms. Bori. I just want to take you through the website Sparknotes on the text Macbeth that we will be doing this unit, just to show you how to read it basically, okay? So you're going to go to sparknotes.com. You can see underneath already Macbeth is like the probably most popular Shakespearean play, or you can search by title, but since it's here already, I'm going to click on it. And just a couple things. The study guide is really good at well, you know what a study guide is. I bet all of you are familiar with getting on it as kind of a cheat sheet to see an analysis of something, right, of literature. But you can see there's a plot overview. I've already assigned the video plot summary. And then in modern language, the summary and analysis of different acts. Now, I think I told you already, even though there are 5 acts, we're not going to spend an equal amount of time in each act, and even within an act, not an equal amount of time in each scene, because some are more important than others. As you can see in scene 1, actually here they've kind of analyzed it, but you'll see they weighed it unequally. Okay, so what I want you to do is click on the No Fear Translation tab, and you will see, under Act 1, and there's no equal amount of scenes in each act, okay? As you can see in Macbeth, the first act is a lot going on because it's the battle scene, and actually it lays the stage for the prophecies that Macbeth and Banquo encounter after battle. So there are 7 scenes, and then Act 2 there are 4 scenes, Act 3 6, Act 4 has the fewest with 3 scenes, and then the all-important battle, Act 5, with a total of 8 scenes, okay? So what you would do is, I wish I could get rid of these stupid ads on the right. But anyways, what you would do is when I assign you a scene, I will say like Act 1, Scene 3, or whatever, and you're going to click on that. And when you click on it, you will see that you get a double panel viewing. The original text is on the left, and the modern translation is on the right. Okay, I can tell you right now that the appearance of the 3 witches in Act 1 is pretty important, so you will be assigned that. You can always switch to the table contents. Look how I hover it, and I can quickly go to the act and scene that I want. I will be showing you a little bit later how you cite a Shakespearean play and line. You've got to be when you're citing, you have to pay attention to the act, the scene, and the actual line, okay? So let's look at Act 1, Scene 1. This is how the whole play begins, and this just shows you how powerful and how much of a cornerstone of our Western cultural literacy the play Macbeth is, because a lot of the lines that you probably have heard bandied about throughout your life have come from this very play, okay? First witch. When shall we 3 meet again, in thunder, lightning, or in rain? When the hurly-burly's done, when the battle's lost and won. Classic, and you will be given some film clips of the first act, Scene 1, to compare and analyze. By the way, the term hurly-burly is one of my absolute favorites to use. It just means chaos or craziness or pandemonium, so I challenge you to drop it into your regular conversation today. If your mom says, hey, how's homeschool going, or how is home learning going for you? And you could say, it's not going that well, Mom and Dad. I can't wait till the hurly-burly's done and I can be in the classroom and see Ms. Bori's face live standing in front of me. And with that, I sign off.